Fresh, bright, and bursting with flavor. This is Pico de Gallo. Let's make this great dip together. First, peel the garlic, then mince well. Then transfer it to a mixing bowl. Next, peel the red onion and mince it finely. Slice the chilies thinly, adjust the amount depending on how spicy you like it. Next, cut the tomatoes into small, even dice. Now slice the fresh coriander finely. This adds a bright, herby aroma and that classic fresh finish to the dip. Now, slice the lime in half and add the juice to the other ingredients. Season with a pinch of salt and a touch of black pepper to your personal taste. Now gently stir everything together until all the fresh ingredients are well combined. Finally, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours so all the flavors can come together and taste even better when you're ready to serve. When you're ready to serve, transfer the dip to a serving bowl. A refreshing, chunky dip, tangy, spicy, and fresh. Spoon it over tacos, serve it with tortilla chips, or use it to brighten up grilled meats and seafood. Thank you for being with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your food and happy cooking.